What did Nathan say?
Is it over here?
What
Is it over here?
Yeah, Nathan's over here. What did he say? Kiss Nathan. Kiss your brother. Good job. Did you kiss Nathan?
Yeah, Teddy. Here you go.
Nathan, Josh was giving you his teddy. Good job, Josh. You're a big boy.
Ma, okay, the teddy says.
You give Nathan your teddy. Do you give Nathan your teddy?
Yeah.
What?
There.
You wanna sit there? With Nathan?
Yes.
Hold on. Here are my boys. All crammed in the bouncy chair. Joshua, aren't you too big for the bouncy chair? Aren't you too big? No? No? What? Yeah, it's a bouncy chair. Nathan say, "This is my chair." How about Teddy? Let me see Teddy. How's Teddy doing? Hi, Teddy. Does Teddy love Nathan? Does Teddy love Nathan?
It's sleeping.
Who's sleeping?
Teddy's sleeping.
Oh, Teddy's. Oh, okay. Is Nathan sleeping? Is Nathan sleeping?
Yeah.
No, look at him. He's not sleeping.
Where?
Oh, did you kiss Nathan yet?
What's that? What's that?
It's a cheese.
It's a cheese.
It's a cheese.
Where?
Right there.